Okay, hello, I'm Olivier, Lacour. This video has nothing to do with the pitch I'm going to do, so sorry about that. Obviously, I'm French, again, and I'm heading the design activities at NDS Cisco. Our mission at this spot is to redesign the TV experience at large, since we think that this is today too complex, not engaging enough, and there is a better job to do. So to make a long story short, I will hopefully run the good video, not yet, of the latest product that we've been designing and delivering jointly with Intel, Samsung, NDS, and for the Liberty Global operators. Basically, these guys are going to roll out that product all across Europe, and it started a month ago in Holland and 2 other European countries. So to make a long story short, let's roll the ad. So this product is about TV. Forget about the box, the 50 buttons, remote control, this is all gone. Now you can log on this entertainment experience from any device nearby. Everything is in sync, thanks to the cloud, and it's live today. Actually, in the first week, we got 100,000 pre-orders, so we are actually sold out. This is the situation as per today. Now I'd like to show you what is coming up next. This is our Snowflake R&D program. It does show what we are heading to, and be prepared to have this kind of business case happening on the market for all of us in the coming 12 months. So it starts with a remote control, which is actually an iPad. And there is nothing on this iPad but a wide touch screen and a home button and a back button. That's all we need, actually. This iPad is pictured here, and this is what happens on the screen, whether it is a wide TV screen, an iPad, an iPhone, whatnot, we don't care. Everything is actually based upon video delivered by the cloud. I'm currently focusing on the live thing. So these are all the channels running live at the moment. I can go and check what's happening in the on-demand section by just swiping, going back to live here. And I can also swipe to check what's in my library. All these assets are actually photo, music, video, apps, everything being pushed to you. Oops. Pushed, it's R&D. So we basically collapse everything on the one screen. Yes, here we are. Yes. And if I want to go to any of these assets, let's say Drive at the moment, I just tap once and I will go to Drive, which is actually broadcasted on a channel. I can channel up, channel down by just swiping. Notice that there is no black hole in between video zapping anymore. It's now instantaneous. I can swipe back to go back to Drive. Now, being on Drive, noticing that the program has already started some time ago, I just swipe again on the other side. I can resume the program from any chapter. So anytime you come home too late, missing the start of the program, you can start over it. That's valid for the current program, but you can also browse back in the past of the channel to actually catch up with every type of program that has been broadcasted in the past. Now, goes the same for the future. Here, from this spot, I can see what's coming up next on that channel, and next, and next, and next, and next. So if I want to see now the movie that is planned to be broadcasted, like in 7 days, I can do it now. So that's the way we foresee, actually, TV. Sure enough, there are collections of big data, lots of assets in the surroundings. So if I want to get more of the 9 channels which are recommended at the moment, I just pinch that and I get page 2 of recommendations. And if I'm not pleased with what currently broadcast, I can pinch again and get everything I want. Now, that's the core of the product, how to actually easy log to any piece of content. But the Snowflake system is actually more powerful than that. I will start with, which one? Let's say, yeah, this one. Here, I'm currently focusing the Jamie Oliver cooking show. Notice that, a push notification appears on my iPad. It's very readable, it's very design-friendly. And if I want to actually trigger it, I will fly the content from the TV to my iPad. So actually what you see here is what is on my iPad. The TV has a switch here. Now you see that the TV is in sync, and I can get additional content in sync with the content which is broadcasted on TV on my iPad. And then I can use this iPad app very easily. So I'm using actually the TV to trigger the app. And if I want to close that, I just rotate, close the app, and yeah, we can enjoy the TV full screen. Now another business case which is kind of funny is this one. Yep. There is a movie running on the widescreen TV at the moment. There is a push notification, and to trigger it again, I will rotate it. The TV will fly from here to actually my iPad. Now we are now in sync. And from here, what I can also do is actually look at the surrounding. Like, how does it look downstairs? How does it look upstairs, and what's happening on the right, and what's happening on the left. So I can actually explore the surrounding of the video which still runs on the TV. And this is pretty funny to imagine how that could work from sports, for instance. And to kill the app, as always, you rotate, kill the app, done. Another thing which we thought could be interesting, and by the way, appreciating the feedback from you guys, because it's somehow very attached to your business. Let's say, I'm going to trigger that one. Yeah. I'm logging on Fox News at the moment, and guess what? There is an ad running in the background. If I click on that one, I will be able to clip a coupon from that ad straight from my iPad. So as you can see, I just stole the bottle from the beer and grabbed it on my iPad. Now it is stored as a coupon. on my iPad and iPhone, being in sync with the cloud. And next time I want to actually get these discounts from the store, I will take my iPhone with me, pass it over, and done. But again, this is done because being in sync with the ad on TV. A business case, I'd like to have discussions with you about that. So that's a few of the various easy TV experience and somehow how brands could benefit from that framework, triggering new type of business case, new type of experiences. Last but not least, I'd like to show you how we are moving from a family experience, which is happening at the moment, you know, there is no profile active at the moment, to something which is completely customized to your perspective. Now, what I will do, I will swipe my iPad, boot up the camera, take a picture of me, yep, boom. And actually, here, I will change the TV. The channel running in the background has changed. All the content which was here has also been changed, updated to my perspective. So by triggering a profile, I'm rewarded big time of being exposed to the content that makes sense to me. And then it works just the same way the rest was working. That's to say, I tap on it, let's say I tap on Drive, and I'm moving to Drive. Now, lucky me, because I'm profiled now, I get new things that I can do on top, starting with the sharing options. So I can broadcast that program on a channel that I actually drive, and you can subscribe to this channel using me as a recommendation engine. I can do post, I can also engage a TV party, and that will be the last business case. The TV party is the cool stuff. I actually okay that, if it works. And it doesn't work. Let me open it again, maybe. I'll try another time. Let's see on Drive. Okay, now. And we obviously have a bug. Yes. So basically what should have happened is that I would have opened up the camera here on my iPad and being connected with all my friends who are actually looking at the program at the same moment. So engaging a sharing experience based upon the program with my community. This is what we are trying to do, making things incredibly simple, yet completely engaging, moving what TV is about from something which is from last century to something which is far more interesting. And we are big enough to drive that move, being Cisco. So what you actually saw here will happen for real in a few months. And with that, I'd like to thank you all.